Hey guys, it's your girl IbbyInspired, and I am back with another one. As you guys can tell by today's title, we are going to be doing this wig review on this bomb.com wig. This wig is called the Money Piece Hazel in Lace Unit 7, and y'all, I am so here for it. I want to show and share with you guys this wig as soon as possible because as you guys can see, this wig is just everything. I love it. You guys, this is like, if you want to see details about this wig and how I got this wig on my big old head, don't forget to subscribe to that IbbyInspired fam bam. Keep watching and enjoy this wig tutorial because this has to be one of the best wigs of all time. I am sorry, you guys. I am sorry. Please don't be mad at me. I'm sorry, but this is the best wig of all time. Yeah. Okay, guys. Whew. Had to settle down. I am so excited to be showing you guys this new, well, not this, the wig that was on the thumbnail. This wig is called Lace Unit 7 Money Piece Hazel, and it was for $24.69 on wigtypes.com. Of course, you guys can get this wig from other synthetic websites such as like Bobby Boss or Hair Sisters. You know, they always have the same wigs, more so or less, but you guys should always make sure you do that price check. And normally Wig Types does provide really great prices, really good deals, so I normally head for wigtypes.com. So of course, guys, I got the blonde because I think that, for one, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on dark skin, because I know that some people still do get a little bit afraid when they have darker skin tones, darker skin shade. They find that they are a little bit scared when it comes to wearing different colors. But you know, as I always say, if you guys can wear it, wear it. Even if it's friggin' bright neon green, go ahead and do your thing. Also, I wanted to choose this color because it doesn't only suit dark skin, but it suits skin of all skin tones, whether you be the lightest and the most porcelain of porcelain to the darkest of chocolate. Guys, this wig, I feel as though, fits so many skin tones, and that's one of the things that I love about the honey blonde type looking colors. So on the actual packaging, it is Dashley Fast Fashion Meets Hair, so I guess that is the collection, and it is from Sensational. I think they're bomb. I think they're really good at parting. I think they're really good at the pre-plucked look. Sometimes it's so pre-plucked that it kind of looks like a human lace front wig, so I really like that. So let's go ahead and unpackage this wig, and I'm already loving the color. Ooh, okay. This is what the packaging looks like. Just to show you guys, the lady on here is gorgeous. She kind of looks like Normani, if you ask me. I don't know, what do you guys think? Product details, just to read it to you guys: ear to ear soft lace, an essential addition to your wig stash. Okay, because I got a wig stash, how they know. Made with heat resistant fiber, so I'm guessing it's like the 360 or whatever the heat normally goes to for your synthetic wigs. Available in fashion forward colors, and dress it up or dress it down. So yes, guys, along with the packaging, they actually gave you the special colors available for this unit. Then behind that, it actually gives you the wig care, washing, and styling directions. Y'all know I don't really follow that. I should probably start and see if I can, like, you know, rejuvenate my wigs sometimes, but normally when they stiff, they stiff. Show you guys what it looks like. Yes. Another thing that I love about this color or colors such as these when it comes to wigs is that you can wear it literally for every season. Oh, the hair feels so smooth, so soft, so silky. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it on. So this is always kind of embarrassing, guys, but you know, like, y'all know me now. I mean, we friends or whatever, so ooh, already giving me life, especially when you have a beat face, honey. Okay, you guys, this is so pretty. I love the way it lays down. It lays down very, very flat. I love the actual lace color too, because it's not like that grayish color that you get sometimes. So look how flat it lays. Do you guys see that? Let's see. So yep, just as we suspected, there is no 13 by 4 or 6 inch. Obviously, it didn't even say that on the packaging, so it's okay. I actually like a side part. And you know, as always, you can kind of shift the wig. The curl is gorgeous. I'll stand up for you guys. Oh, yes. Oh, honey, I gotta go somewhere tonight, honey. Look how it just fall. You guys, there's nothing better than a wig that just like flows and falls and does what it's supposed to do. As you guys can see, the curl is actually curling like back like that. So it's like giving me like these Charlie's Angel vibes, like when it, you know, no, not really, but it's giving me, I like the frame your face look. And also it has these beautiful layers. What I also like about this wig, which sometimes can be a hit or miss for a lot of wigs, is when the ombre is too high. For me, although I love my colored wigs, I love it when there's a good amount of dark roots, because if the color is too high, then the dark root is not enough for me. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. So what I love about this wig is that it's very good ombre, and also the roots stop pretty low. So let me go ahead, cut it off, and I will show you guys what it looks like in just a second. Okay, so this is what it looks like when my lace is cut. So I'm gonna just do a little bit of powder, and as you can see, that blend is everything. You guys see that? There's like, the lace is sitting right there, but once I get that glued, you can barely tell. So this is what my wig is looking like. I am going to tell you guys the pros and the cons about this wig. Let's go ahead and get started. So pros, obviously you guys can tell that I love this wig. This color is woo. I think it goes like with my outfit and this look, honey. Like I did this. I really like this wig. I'm actually surprised that it wasn't sold out in this color. Woo, I love the way it complements my skin. It gives my skin like that glow. And I really feel as though, as I said before, that many skin tones and shades can wear this wig, because it does have such a long ombre effect, and then the color at the end. So I'm here for it. I love the layers. I love that when you brush it. I love the curl. I love how it goes like back. See, that's the good thing about synthetic wigs, is that since it's already made in a certain way, it's gonna automatically fall that way. Human hair wigs, sometimes, you know, the curl will fall out of place. I love the length. You guys see that? It's like, it's giving me like a 20-inch. Let's see the shedding. There is a little bit of shedding, but as I always tell you guys, if you guys have watched my previous videos, I am a little bit heavy-handed. so my wigs always tend to shed a little bit, but from the looks of things, it's very minimal shedding. Cons: I already love the side part of this wig, but if you are a person that likes to style your wig in a different way and likes to like part it and braid it up and customize it and do all that good and fun stuff, this is definitely not the best wig to do that, because it only has this side parting, which is this deep part here. Again, there is no other, I mean, you can style it like that if you want. You're gonna look crazy, honey, but you can do it like that if you want. So if you guys want to see more tutorials like this, or if you guys like this tutorial, go ahead and thumbs up. I really enjoyed this Money Piece Hazel wig today. I think this is like one of my favorite wigs in my collection. Comment below, tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe to join that IbbyInspired fan bam, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!